I want us to do a jam session. I thought of an idea where we'll do a Mhondoro with the Mbira.
You landed on the Mbira?
Yeah, because I'm a Mbira player as well.
Of course.
Yeah. I learned to play the Mbira 2001 when I went to the College of Music. I was a guitarist already, but I wanted to learn the Mbira and Marimba. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's a different version of Mhondoro.
Let's do it.
And we're going to include Samantha on the big vocals as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Shingai featuring Mono and Samantha, another version of Mhondoro.
Daughters of Marimba, rise. Mhondoro Dzinomwa, 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 Mhondoro Dzinomwa. Summoning a new wave, summoning the sounds. I see you with a new gaze, trying to poison my ground. Enemies in the garden, they're the ones with no soul, but they won't get far though, 'cause what to go let you know, we walk with big Mhondoros. Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa. Thought you could just run up in our beautiful town. Thought you wouldn't get done up. Wow, you are wearing my crown. Enemies in the garden, are you the ones with no soul? Ever heard of karma? You're gonna reap what you sow. We walk with big Mhondoros. Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa. Dzinomwa Muna Save, 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 Dzinomwa Muna Save. Umba makobe, icho. Go for it. Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa, Mhondoro Dzinomwa. Enemies, mix me up with a long face. Hey, do me a favor, show some grace. She wears a crown, better bow down. Think you've outgrown this town. Mix me up with a long face. Do me a favor, show some grace. We wear the crown, better bow down, 'cause we don't talk it now. Mhondoro Dzinomwa, we walk with big Mhondoros. Big up. Soko, Shumba, Pumba, Kicha. Let's go. Live at Mono Studios. We're so grateful to be here.
Everything that has sound be monolized.